Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today is Sunday, February 6th and we are all ready. We are going out. Where we are going? We are going to pick up some meat like mutton. So because from yesterday afternoon, you could say, Shomo was keep telling me that he's gonna have mutton today. Yesterday we also went out, but it got late, so we didn't pick up mutton yesterday night. That's why we're going this morning. We're all ready, have our breakfast. Now we're heading out and go to the store, picked up the things we needed to make mutton. So yeah, that's the plan. Now let's go. কে এটা? আরেকটা কিয়ান? ওটা কে? আরেকটা কিয়ান? ওটা আরেকটা কিয়ান? ওকে ধরতে পারবে না তো? ওকে ধরতে পারবে না তো তুমি? ওটা আরেকটা কিয়ান? ওকে ধরতে পারবে? No, don't touch বাগা. Don't touch. We were at the gas station and we did a bet. What is the bet? I said if the gas amount will be $38, then I will win, and Shomo said if it's 42, then he's gonna win. So what's the prize? The prize is whoever gonna win is gonna get a massage, body massage. So yay. What do you think? Who's gonna win, Shomo?
Of course, me.
You?
Yes.
I wish it stayed on 38. It's still 34 and counting. Please stop at 38. Stops at 43.94. God. Thank God we both lose. You know. So we are home. We got the meat we needed. Now we're going to pay for it and then Shomo gonna cook. What else? Kian currently watching TV, but I need to prep his lunch as well. It's 12:45, so I need to give him lunch as soon as possible. That's the plan. So let's do this. Shomo is marinating the mutton. Are you excited, Shomo? He's a genuine mutton lover. Like whenever, wherever you ask him for mutton, he will always say yes. And yes, for Kian's lunch, I'm going to give him a little bit of rice and omelette. I know he's not gonna have omelette, but still. And Shomo asked me to make some pulao, yellow pulao. He wants to have that with mutton. I also love yellow pulao. Kian sometimes have that, sometimes he doesn't. So I'm going to make it anyway and give him Kian for that pulao for dinner. Let's see he's gonna have it or not. But yeah, that's the plan. Now our goal is to make the mutton and pulao and have it as soon as possible because I'm hungry. কিয়ান এটা কে তোর? এটা কে তোর? বেবি। তোমার বেবিকে কিরকম ছুঁড়ে ফেলে দেয় নিচে? কেমন বাবা তুমি? Update time. It's still in process. Mutton making, and I'm going to make the pulao. I'm going to make it in rice cooker. I have shared many times how I make pulao in my rice cooker. Now for pulao, we prefer kali jeera rice. In Bengali, we call it maybe Gobindabhog rice. So this is the rice. I'm going to make it, and we need some whole garam masala, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and little bit of yellow food color if you have, but I always use a little bit turmeric and salt and ghee and some sugar. So let's make it. And I forgot to mention one other ingredients we need is ginger paste. So first I'm going to add the rice. I measured this cup, so I'm going to add water accordingly. Now I'm going to add the whole garam masala. Salt, turmeric, sugar, ginger paste,
Mama.
last two ingredients, it's optional. You can add a little bit of cashew and raisins. So that's what I'm going to add. And I'm going to taste it if salt needed or sugar needed. I'm going to taste it, which I already did, and it's all perfect. Now I'm going to switch on it. White rice. Pulao is ready, and so is mutton. Yummy. Both are hungry and we are literally gonna have our lunch now. So happy Sunday. Peace out. Hello guys. So yeah, that's all gonna be for this vlog. This vlog only like all about cooking on Sunday. I was editing this vlog. I was about to end it, but then I thought let's shoot the like end clip, because for the last few vlogs I was not able to end it in person. I was like putting a title on it, so I thought let's do it in person this time, so that's why I'm here. So yeah guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. If you like this vlog, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below, let me know. And if you love to watch my videos, haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. That will be awesome. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys soon. Before that, don't forget to hit the notification bell after subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I'm going to upload a new video, you guys will get the notification for that. So yeah, that will be all. I'm going to see you guys soon with a new vlog. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Mwah. Bye guys.